My name is Tim Harden, and this is how I negotiated a 33% raise.
Title text: Get my job, true stories of how people got their job. Tim sits on a high stool in a studio.
I work in the Texas Capitol. I am a chief of staff for a state representative out of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. When I took the job in 2013, we had just had our second child.
A photo of Tim with his wife and 4 children.
And over the course of the last 4 years, we've since had 2 more sons, so I have 4 sons. And of course, with the extra mouths to feed, come a need for more income to feed those mouths. Honesty is the best policy. So I approached my boss and just told him my needs and kind of where I was at, and that if we weren't able to meet that, I would have to find a job that could support me and my family. I don't think he actually took me very seriously when I said it, so I started looking online and I found an ad for a construction company. I ended up interviewing with the owner, literally made me an offer on the spot, which greatly exceeded the current salary. So ended up calling my boss, and he sat down with me. I explained to him where I was at again. He basically said, listen, I do not want to lose you. What is it going to take? And I told him he's gonna have to match that person's offer, and he agreed, and there is where the salary raise came from. In the negotiating process, first and foremost, you have to be serious, and you're not bluffing that you're leaving. You actually have to be willing to leave the job. You have to see yourself as a commodity. Ultimately, if you think that the product of you is worth more than you're currently being paid, then you have to make the case and sell yourself. You have to justify why those dollars deserve to go into your bank account.
Tim holds 2 bundles of bills. Text: The information on this video is provided as a courtesy. Indeed is not a career or legal advisor and does not guarantee job interviews or offers. Indeed compensated individuals for their participation in this video.